Imagine creating cinematic 3D shots for your documentary or short film without expensive software, without learning 3D animation, and without spending weeks rendering scenes. All you need is one simple text prompt.
In this video, I'll show you an insanely easy workflow that turns a single idea into a professional schematic shot. By the end of this video, we'll know how creators are building entire documentary channels using AI sim faster and cheaper than ever before.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB, the channel where we explore powerful AI tools.
That help you create smarter, faster, and better content. If you're into filmmaking, documentaries, or cinematic storytelling using AI, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in.
Step 1. Creating a killer prompt.
The first step is the most important step, the prompt.
Think of your prompt like a blueprint for a house. If the blueprint is messy, the final result will be messy too. To make this easy, we're going to use a custom GPT that creates cinematic prompts for us. Go to the GPT store, search for documentary style 3D image generator, and click Start Chat. This tool is a complete game changer. Instead of writing long, complicated prompts, you simply describe your idea in plain language. For example, a man in an orange jumpsuit in jail doing push ups. The GPT may ask you a few clarifying questions, and based on your answers, it generates a highly detailed, cinematic master prompt optimized for 3D visuals. It even gives you extra B-roll prompts, which is perfect for documentaries and storytelling. This is the secret sauce for getting professional quality results without any hassle. Step 2. Turning the prompt into a cinematic image. Now, let's turn that master prompt into a high-quality cinematic image. While there are many paid tools available, the best free option I've found is ImageFX or Whisk AI by Google Labs. You can use, but for now, I'm using Google's Nano Banana Pro. It's powered by Google's Imagen 3 model and is designed to be extremely beginner-friendly. Just open the image generator which you want to use, paste your master prompt, and select your aspect ratio. Instantly, you'll get 4 cinematic image variations from a single prompt. You don't need any technical skills to get images that look film grade and professional. Once you find the one you like, simply download it. Step 3. Turning the image into a cinematic video. Now comes the most exciting part, bringing that image to life. For this, we're using a tool called Higsfield. Higsfield is one of the best tools available for turning a single image into a dynamic cinematic video, especially for documentaries. It's known for its advanced camera movements, and it's incredibly easy to use even if you have zero editing experience. Open the Higsfield website using the links in the description. On the left, you'll see the control panel, and on the right is your preview area. In the image box, we upload our generated image, which we generate using AI image generator. In the prompt box, type man doing slow push-ups. Scroll down and you'll see option where you can select the model for video generation for now. I'm using Seedance. By open the drop-down menu and switch to the Seedance 1.5 Pro in model. Option. Now click generate. This model currently offers unlimited free video generation, so it doesn't cost any credits. Set the duration. Currently it support up to 12 seconds. And increase the resolution for a clean, cinematic look. And there it is. A smooth, realistic animation of a man doing push-ups inside a prison cell. The camera movement adds a powerful documentary feel. Even the Seedance 1.5 Pro version looks extremely professional. Let's try another shot using the same workflow. This time, Seedance Pro to change the camera movement. In the prompt box, type man sitting in a war zone. Keep the Seedance Pro model selected and click generate again. Just look at that smooth camera motion. This is an incredible way to create dynamic documentary visuals, history videos, or cinematic storytelling scenes. Using this exact workflow, you can create entire animated documentary channels, short films, or cinematic story videos and animated cartoons. The results are high quality, consistent,
It costs a fraction of traditional 3D animation methods. All the tools I used in this video are linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Try Tech Tutorials, amazing gadgets, and mobile reviews. I'll see you in the next one.